So it is Saturday morning, and this happened again. This is the really big leak. So you can see it spraying like a fountain straight up. And I also want to mention that I woke up, it's around 9 o'clock Saturday morning, and I woke up hearing gurgles from my toilet. And out of curiosity, I did a little experiment. I flushed my toilet, and of course it flooded, so I'll record that later when I go back upstairs. But I know that this one will stop soon, judging by what happened earlier 2 days ago with Jessica's bathroom. When she flushed her toilet, all the leaking stopped. So I ran down here to catch the leaking before it stopped, because apparently all the pressure was just released in my bathroom, which I'm gonna go clean up when I'm done taking video. So you can see it's leaking in many different places, all at once, all at the same time. And you can hear in the background all sorts of rain-like sounds. There's a neighbor's car getting dripped on. So, like I said, this is the second time this has happened in about 2 days. And the second flood that's happened up in a unit in 2 days. I'm gonna go film this fountain again, just for some emphasis. Well, it's leaking over there too. There's the original one that I showed, still going. So I'm a little concerned because my toilet flushed a few minutes ago and there's still a ton of leaks. I thought it would be out by now. Or over by now. So apparently there's still a lot of pressure, and I'm gonna go see right now if my toilet's still overflowing. It had stopped by the time I came down here, but I'm gonna go check right now.